Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Binance app. From signing up to peer-to-peer trading and futures trading, I'll guide you step by step. So please follow along slowly. First, I'll show you how to sign up on the Binance app. First, search for the Binance app on your mobile device and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Press the sign up button to create an account. You can create your account by entering either your email address or your mobile number. Check the agreement box below, and press the continue button. Then a verification code will be sent to the email address or mobile number you entered. Please enter the verification code that was sent. Next, create a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Next, you will need to register an inviter. Once you pass this screen, you will no longer be able to register an inviter, so make sure to press the Yes button. Then a referral ID input field will appear. Please enter BB333 in the referral ID field. You will then receive a 20% Binance trading fee discount and various bonus rewards. Be sure to enter it before completing your registration. Next, you need to proceed with the KYC verification step. In order to use deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Binance, you must complete KYC verification. First, select your nationality. Then proceed with the ID verification. From the list of ID types shown below, select one ID that you currently have. In today's video, we will proceed using a passport. Prepare your ID and press take pictures. Align the information page of your passport within the camera frame, and take a clear photo without light reflection. Then proceed with the face verification. Align your face within the camera frame, and nod your head or blink your eyes. Once these steps are completed, the KYC verification request will be submitted. And the KYC review usually takes about 1 hour. After a short while, once the review is completed, you will be able to confirm that your identity verification has been successfully completed. Now I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator. For the security of your account, setting up Google Authenticator is essential. Please return to the Binance home screen. Press the Binance icon at the top left, and press the arrow icon at the top right. Select the security menu to configure security settings. Press Authenticator app to activate it, and press Enable below. Then a verification code will be sent to your email address or mobile number, and please enter the verification code that was sent. Now you will be moved to the Authenticator setup screen. Here you can see the 16-digit key of Binance. Please copy this 16-digit key. Next, search for the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and install it. Once installation is complete, open the app. When the app opens, press the plus button at the bottom right. Then select Enter a setup key. Enter Binance in the codename field. And paste the 16-digit key copied from the Binance app into the Your Key field. Then press the Add button below. A 6-digit code with the name Binance will be generated. Copy this 6-digit code, and return to the Binance app. Press the Next button below. Then in the Authenticator added input field, paste the 6-digit code copied from the Google Authenticator app. You can now confirm that the Google Authenticator setup has been successfully completed. Next, to use various features of Binance including futures trading, we will change from light mode to pro mode. Please return to the Binance home screen. Press the Binance icon at the top left. Press the Binance Pro button at the bottom. Then Binance will switch to pro mode. Now you can use the various features of Binance. Second, I'll show you how to do peer-to-peer trading on the Binance app. There are several ways to deposit coins into Binance. But in today's video I will show you the peer-to-peer trading method that does not incur fees. Press Assets at the bottom right of the Binance home screen. At the top menu you can see several wallet options. Futures is the wallet for futures trading, and Spot is the wallet for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. To deposit coins, select Spot. Then press Add Funds. When the deposit method selection screen appears, select Peer-to-Peer. Now you will be moved to the peer-to-peer trading screen. First, press the button at the top right. Then you can choose the currency used to purchase coins. Next, select by mode since you will be purchasing coins. Press the button below to select the coin you want to purchase. Most people use USDT because it has low volatility and high trading volume. Press the button next to it to set the purchase amount. Press the button next to that to choose the payment method. Once the selection is completed, various advertisers' list will appear below. For safe transactions, it is recommended to trade with advertisers who have high trading volume and a high completion rate. Once you have selected the advertiser you want to trade with, press the buy button. Some advertisers may require additional identity verification. First, enter the amount you want to purchase and select the payment method. Before proceeding with the purchase, it is important to check the advertiser's info. Once confirmed, press place order. Then you will be able to see the advertiser's bank account information. Before making the transfer, make sure to check the advertiser's chat first. Now proceed with the transfer to the provided account. Once the payment is completed, press the Upload Payment Proof button. Then upload at least one payment proof. Next, check the agreement box below and press the Transferred, Notify Seller button. While the advertiser is confirming the payment, return to the home screen and press Assets at the bottom right. Press Spot. After a short time, once the advertiser confirms the payment, you will be able to see that the coins have been successfully deposited into Spot. Third, I'll show you how to do futures trading on the Binance app. To proceed with futures trading on Binance, you must transfer the coins held in Spot to futures. First press Spot Wallet. Then press the transfer button to send coins to futures. Set the transfer direction from Spot Wallet to USD and futures. And select the coin to transfer. Also enter the transfer amount. Then after a short time, you can confirm that the coins have been transferred to futures. Now let's proceed with futures trading. Press the futures button at the bottom right of the screen. Then you will move to the futures trading screen. First press the button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade in futures. Press the button below to set the margin mode. Cross means opening a position using the entire available margin. And isolated means opening a position using only part of the available margin. For beginners, the isolated mode is recommended because it is easier to manage risk. Press the button next to it to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. However, the higher the leverage, the greater the potential profit, but the risk of loss also increases. Therefore, beginners are recommended to trade with low leverage. Next, press this button to choose the position direction. If you think the coin price will rise, choose buy. If you think the coin price will fall, choose sell. In this area you can check the available margin. Press the button below to set the order type. Limit means placing an order at a specified price. And market means placing an order immediately at the current market price. In this section, set the trading price and order quantity. Once the settings are complete, if you think the coin price will rise, choose buy long. And if you think the coin price will fall, choose sell short to execute the order. After the order is filled, press the positions button below to check the position status. Here you can see several pieces of information. ROI indicates the current rate of return. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position. Mark price indicates the current market price. And leak price means the liquidation price. If the price reaches this level, the position will be automatically liquidated. Press the TPSL button to set the take profit price and stop loss price. Finally, if you want to close the position, press the close button. If you choose market, the position will be closed immediately at the market price. And if you choose limit, the position will be closed at the specified price. Enter the closing price and quantity, and press the confirm button. Then the current position will be successfully closed. In today's video, I showed you step by step, from signing up on the Binance app to peer-to-peer trading and futures trading. If you have any difficulties or questions while following the video, please feel free to leave a comment anytime. Your subscriptions and likes greatly help with making videos. I'll come back next time with a